In today's video, I will be telling you about the AI trends that I think will be the most important trends in 2025. So let's get cracking with 5 important AI trends in 2025. Let's start with number 1, agentic AI. So what are AI agents? Well, they are intelligent systems. They can reason, they can plan, and they can even take action. An agent can break down complex problems to create multi-step plans, and they can even interact with tools and databases to achieve goals. But today's models struggle with consistent logical reasoning. They can execute simple plans, but when it comes to handling complex scenarios with multiple variables, they often lose track. So we'll need better models in 2025. Now, trend number 2 is inference time compute. Now, during inference, an AI model goes to work on real-time data. New AI models spend some time thinking before giving you an answer, and the amount of time it spends is variable. A simple request may take a second or two, or something larger might take several minutes. And what makes inference time compute models interesting is the inference reasoning is something that can be tuned and improved without having to train the underlying model. So there are now 2 places in the development of an LLM where reasoning can be improved by training time with better quality training data, but now also inference time with better chain of thought training, which could ultimately lead to smarter AI agents. Now, trend number 3 is very large models. Large language models consist of many parameters which are refined over the training process. Now, the frontier models in 2024, they are in the range of like 1 to 2 trillion parameters in size. The next generation models are expected to be many times larger than that, perhaps upwards of 50 trillion parameters. But if 2025 is the year of enormous models, it may also be the year of very small models that are only a few billion parameters in size. And these models, they don't even need huge data centers loaded with stacks of GPUs to operate. They can run on your laptop or even on your phone. So you can expect to see more models of this size tuned to complete specific tasks without requiring large compute overhead. Now we come up to the last, that is the 5th trend, which is near infinite memory, where bots can keep everything they know about us in memory at all times. We will soon be in an era of customer service chatbots that can recall every conversation it has ever had with us, which hopefully we'll consider a good thing. That's it for today. I hope this video was useful. Now tell us in the comment section, what do you think will be an important AI trend in 2025 other than these? Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye. I will see you guys in the next one.